So the letter of credit here start with the word letter of credit. Now, letter of credit is an important tool for international trade. International trade is basically when we do business with the other countries. Letter of credit is a letter being issued by the bank which signifies the credit worthiness of the buyer, in the sense that this letter of credibility or credit holds a value for the person of the buyer. In this, the bank of a buyer gives the guarantee to the seller. That means this document is a guarantee, kind of a guarantee to the seller that the buyer will pay the amount. Buyer will pay the amount once the buyer will pay the amount, and the whole amount due is paid by the bank. In the other words, this letter of credit stands as a guarantee. It holds a value wherein it holds a value between the two parties, the buyer and the seller. In this, what happens is that the bank goes to an extent of paying to the buyer just in case if he defaults also, for a particular transaction. The letter of credit is such a big document between the buyer and the seller, which bank admits and bank takes it into their hands, is that bank says that we will be paying it no matter the person who has to make the payment defaults. If the seller has completed his demands, the supply of the demands of the buyer, the bank pays the amount. But then bank, in that case, the bank takes a collateral security for the issuance of the letter of credit, where the bank will pay just in case if the buyer defaults. And of course, bank charges a service fee for that. Can I have the next slide, please? Vishwadeep ji?
Yes.
Next slide. Now, letter of credit mostly helps in the business of import and exports. This basically is more into not of the national transactions that we do here in India, but it helps in more of business in imports and exports. Letter of credit issued by the bank on an importer on the condition that if the goods and documents are in compliance of the purchase of the agreement, the bank will issue the letter of credit to the exporter, which states that if the importer is unable to pay, as I said earlier, required sum, then the obligation of the amount to be paid, it will be transferred by the bank. This was covered in the earlier slide also, that bank becomes responsible, but bank again takes a collateral security for the same. So this is a very broader vision of the letter of credit. This letter of credit becomes a very big issue and a technical thing, because a lot of people might not be aware of what is it exactly. So we are just trying to make it more broader, and it's a bit technical also, because we don't use it in our day-to-day lives. It is only happens when we import something or we export something. So now here it is the person who applies for the letter of credit to the bank. For example, it can be a buyer or an importer. Now buyer and importer becomes the same, because when a buyer is importing, we are importing from outside, who request the bank to issue the letter of the credit. Here we are making two people to understand that parties who could be involving in the letter of credit. A second person that is involved is beneficiary, seller, or the exporter. It is the person who gets the benefits of the letter of credit. If there is a default by the buyer, then the bank pays the amount. Now here the bank becomes a very important party, a third party, but then equally it is being held responsible to make the payments and to satisfy the condition of both the buyer and the seller. The bank becomes very strong in this. Now, third thing that is being involved here is issuing bank. Issuing bank is a bank whose letter of credit at the request of the buyer or the applicant. Now, this letter issuing bank needs a letter of application, a letter of intent from the party who intends to open the LC, and bank charges a certain fee for this services. Next slide, please. Negotiating or confirming bank. Now here we are trying to put in more. These were the 3 points, but then we try to make it more elaborate. Of course, this is not one day topic where people will understand exactly what is LC, because it is new for them. Of course, all who know about LC, then it's not very